So I've been beating my head against Pixinsight for the last 72 hours, almost straight. I mean, I've caught cat naps, but I've never used Pixinsight before. But I was not happy with the way that Comet processing went in Photoshop, the C2019Y4 Comet. It just felt too much like, you know, painting. You're erasing on it with the mouse, and it doesn't feel like science to me. You're just painting a picture, and that's not photography to me. I don't want to paint it. And so I got the free trial of Pixinsight, dove in headfirst, and I've been watching tutorials until my eyes bleed. And I think I finally got it cracked. The Comet processing is not intuitive. There is no instruction. There are very few tutorials. I found one decent one, but there was still a lot that I got a nice neck beard going on. I've been home a lot. Anyways, once I finish this, I will let you know. I've found some really devilish little tricks that if you don't know what you're looking for, you will never get this Comet processed in Pixinsight. So once I get this done, I will get back to you with a video on how to do it.